Siapro Group is internationally involved in all kinds of engineering projects. We also have already a few greenfield investments and we have successful results. Siapro Group consists of 3 companies. One is Siapro DO, another one is Strojrem DO from Croatia, which we bought early this year. And the third one is Siapro Hydro from Austria. Siapro Group is celebrating 30 years of establishment. In these 30 years, we developed a lot of different projects and we get a lot of skills from different fields. I hope the new generation will continue this activity.
Siapro is international recognized private-owned company. We have many references around the globe. We provide turnkey engineering projects. Our portfolio consists of shot blasting, shot pinning and surface treatment equipment, foundry equipment, hydropower plants, transport systems, equipment for automatization, robotization and digitalization of different productions. We keep all the time shot blasting machines on stock, which are available for quick delivery. All equipment is manufactured 100% in Europe. Our headquarters is in Slovenia, in the heart of Europe. Now we have more than 75 highly skilled professional employees, as much as 4,000 square meters of covered production area.
We are an engineering team of consultants, engineers and technologists who work as Siapro Group. This year we purchased Strojrem. With this we increase our engineering capacities and production capacities. We are a young team. With our know-how, we offer innovative solutions and new technologies, including greenfield projects. We strive to constant development and improvement of equipment. In recent years, we are more and more involved in the market of manufacturing equipment for automatization, robotization, and digitalization of different productions. With this direction, we follow expected demands and customer needs in the market.
One of our most recognized equipment in the market is our ECO turbine. It's the most cost-effective, economical and efficient wheel on the market. Once you have it, you cannot be without it. We can mount our ECO turbines on any shot blast machine from other producers, so that the machine will be economical and cost-efficient as ours. With ECO turbines, you will get at least 10 times of lifespan of turbine parts. The electrical consumption will be reduced at least for 27% and 10% of less abrasive consumption per machine. Blasting capacity will be better for at least 20% and noise emissions will be much lower as on standard turbines. Our turbines are calibrated to 2.5 grams, so there are no vibrations on turbine. For our customers, it's important to know that our nearest big airport is Venice. That is 2 hours drive from our headquarters in Slovenia. And another big airport is Zagreb Airport. That is 15 minutes drive from our Strojrem production. So we can have great communication with business partners and customers.
In Siapro Abrasive and Surface Technology Test Center, we test effectiveness, costs of shot blasting, shot pinning, and eco-dry mechanical process. All types of abrasive can be tested. We focus on mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. With testing, simulation of industrial condition, we help customers identify the best, most cost-effective solution. We provide durability wear test of machine parts from all blasting equipment manufacturers. What we need? Customers' work pieces, abrasive, and wanted results.